In this video you will learn how to fix issues where you cannot take live photos on FaceTime. Enable FaceTime Live Photos in Settings. Go to Settings, FaceTime, and make sure your live photo is turned on. Ask the other person to enable live photos. The feature only works if both people have live photos enabled in the FaceTime settings. Check if FaceTime is using a group call. Live photos are disabled during group FaceTime calls, so switch to a one-on-one call if you want to do it. Turn off screen sharing or SharePlay. If media is being shared, live photos will be blocked. Stop sharing and try again. Restart FaceTime or the camera app, close both the app switcher and reopen the refresh camera permissions. Update iOS to the latest version. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. The new update often fixes FaceTime restrictions. Now you know how to fix issues where you cannot take live photos on FaceTime. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.